Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of ICYMI. So on today's episode, we're actually going to take a look at Boost's brand new delivery platform called Boost Makan, and apparently they are also including a drive-thru option. And also, if you're a fan of the Nothing Ear 1 earbuds that was recently launched but really want it in black color, here's some good news for you because Nothing is about to launch a black version of these semi-transparent earbuds. So without further ado, let's get started on today's episode. The Nothing Ear 1 is probably the coolest looking wireless earbuds right now with its semi-transparent design. But if you don't fancy the white color, Nothing has teased that a new color option is about to launch today. Based on the teaser posted on Twitter, the tech startup founded by OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei is expected to unveil the Ear 1 in black. They have also shared a photo of the black case which looks pretty sleek. A couple of weeks ago, YouTuber Casey Neistat has tweeted to Nothing requesting them to release their products in black. He even shared a picture of its own Nothing earbuds that are colored in black with a Sharpie pen. And fun fact, Casey is also an investor in Nothing. At the moment, it isn't clear if the black Nothing Ear 1 earbuds will be offered as a limited edition or as a permanent color option. But if you're planning to get the Nothing Ear 1 earbuds in white, it is priced at 499 ringgit here in Malaysia. So any thoughts on this? Do let me know in the comments below. Telekom Malaysia has recently announced a couple of initiatives to improve their customer service satisfaction. One of the key highlights is the Unifi Service Guarantee, where customers can get a rebate if a service disruption is not solved within 24 hours. Described as an industry first, TM has made a bold move by offering a service restoration guarantee by promising to restore your Unifi connectivity within 24 hours from the time of service ticket activation. If TM fails to meet this commitment, customers will get a compensation in the form of 50 ringgit billing rebate, which is redeemable from the My Unifi app within 30 days. Eligible customers will be notified via SMS or My Unifi app push notification. The service restoration guarantee begins today and you must make a formal report via the Unifi live chat, private message on Facebook, Twitter, TM Point or by email. However, it is only applicable for Unifi subscribers on the 100 megabits per second fiber broadband plan and above. The compensation currently covers internet failure and downtime but not performance-related issues. Although the compensation only covers 100 megabits per second customers and above, TM assures that they are still offering the same level of service to all customers, including lower broadband speeds as well as Unifi Air wireless broadband. Don't know what to get your loved one for Christmas? If they're looking for a smartphone as well as some beauty products, Oppo might have something that you can consider. Oppo has collaborated with the makeup and cosmetic product company Shiseido to launch the Oppo Reno 6Z and Shiseido gift box. The limited edition gift box of course comes with the Oppo Reno 6Z but also has a bunch of extra goodies including a special Shiseido phone case and a free Shiseido cosmetic product worth up to 450 ringgit chosen at random. Furthermore, buyers can take part in a lucky draw too, and 10 winners will get a Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation worth 210 ringgit and a Shiseido in-store consultation session too. Oppo members can get more exclusive Shiseido deals too, even if you opt to not get the Oppo Reno 6Z and Shiseido gift box. If you're signed up to be an Oppo member via the My Oppo app, you can claim a free Shiseido Ultimate sampling kit at Shiseido outlets in Sour Pyramid, Mid Valley and Surya KLCC. And if you make a minimum purchase of 380 ringgit at those stores, you can get a 4-piece Shiseido gift set. Those who make a minimum purchase of 300 ringgit on the Shiseido online store meanwhile will be able to get a 50 ringgit instant rebate too. So if you're interested, you'll be able to pre-order the Oppo Reno 6Z and Shiseido gift box starting on the 2nd of December. It is priced exactly the same as the normal retail price of the Oppo Reno 6Z at 1,699 ringgit and will be available on Oppo Malaysia's website. Once you have pre-ordered it, you can collect it after the 11th of December onwards from any of the participating Oppo stores. Alternatively, you can also pre-order it from their official stores on Lazada and Shopee and have it delivered to you. So if you're planning to buy this gift box, remember to be quick because there are only 300 units available. Boost has recently announced that they have launched their brand new delivery platform called Boost Makan. According to Boost, the feature is added to its app to help its F&B merchants to bring their business online without the hassle of complicated back-end system and expensive fees. And in addition to that, Boost Makan also gives customers the option to drive through a food establishment so they don't have to worry about parking when picking up their food. The Boost Makan platform syncs up to the Boost e-wallet app and you can easily find the option on the front page of the app. Just select food and then click on Boost Makan. Boost will also ask you to share your location, which is pretty standard for food delivery apps. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and to click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!